Over 400 flights have been delayed at the Indira Gandhi International Airport due to a technical fault in the air traffic control system. The Airport Authority of India has stated that the teams are working on the restoration of the automatic message switching system. The malfunction has also hit several international airlines, with an ITA Airways flight to Rome delayed by nearly 2 hours and a Virgin Atlantic flight to London by more than an hour. Flights scheduled to take off between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. were the most affected. I have my colleague Arzu Seth joining me with more details. Arzu, what more can you tell us? All right, I have my colleague Arzu Seth joining me with more details. Now, Arzu, over 400 flights have been delayed at the Indira Gandhi International Airport due to a technical fault. What more can you tell our viewers?
Well, definitely there were more than 400 flights that have been delayed. Right now we are at the IGI airport, and also we have seen long queue of passengers at the airport. Also would also like to show you how the passengers have now in fact reached at the Delhi airport after their flight has reached. Also what we are getting to know that the chaotic Friday unfolded at the Delhi airport with over hundreds of flights being delayed due to technical glitch in the air traffic control system. Efforts are ongoing to resolve the issue. The airport authorities assured, expressing regret over the flight disruption. We also have some passengers with us. We'll also have a conversation with them to know about their flights. Ma'am, sir, have your flight delayed? आपकी flight delay थी?
जी हाँ, डिले थी।
कितना लगभग delay थी आपकी?
मैंने केयर नहीं किया, ध्यान नहीं दिया मैंने।
डिले थी?
डिले थी।
आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई क्यों डिले हुई है?
मैंने I didn't bother. I was busy in my own work.
Okay, so what the passengers have in fact told us that their flights were delayed by 1 hour, 2 hours. So definitely the passengers have in fact suffered from the glitch that have come at the Delhi airport. The passengers who are coming from Mumbai, Hyderabad, their flight has just landed, and they have informed us that their flights were delayed by 50 minutes and we are just outside the terminal. And also would like to tell you the statement has been issued that due to the technical issue with the air traffic control system, flight operation at the IGIA are experiencing delay. Their teams is actively working with all stakeholders including DIAL to resolve it at earliest. So authorities advised advise the passengers to stay in touch with their airlines for the latest flight updates. So definitely the glitch that has come in the automatic message switching system, which supports the air traffic control data. So definitely more than 400 flights being delayed, and also which is making a chaotic situation at the airport. Yes.
All right, Arzu, have you been able to speak to the airport staff or anybody else, and how long will this take to be sorted out? Arzu, am I audible?
To the social media platform.
Yes, Arzu, what I'm trying to ask you is that have you been able to speak to the airport authorities? How long are they going to take to sort this problem out?
Well, definitely as of now, what we are getting to know that the efforts are ongoing to resolve the issue, and it will take some time, before things become normal.